Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, using airplane mode in Monopoly Go doesn't provide any special gameplay advantages and may actually interfere with your experience as it disconnects you from the internet. Since Monopoly Go is an online multiplayer game, it requires an active internet connection to load, sync progress, and allow interactions with other players. Here's what you can do to consider for a better gameplay. Daily rewards. Make sure to log in daily to collect free dice and rewards. Consistent logins can offer bonus rewards over time. Completing card collections. Collect and trade cards with friends or within online communities. Completing sets often provides extra dice or in-game cash. Join events. Participate in limited time events that can offer additional resources and special rewards. Use dice wisely. Plan your dice rolls strategically to target spaces with higher rewards. Add friends. Having more friends in game can often yield bonus rewards and improve overall gameplay. Now, Monopoly is a game of luck, no doubt, but not many players get lucky with the dice rolls. Now, as updated on September 20, Scopely has now passed the airplane mode glitch, preventing players from manipulating their rolls. They have also added a daily login limit that restricts players from using multiple accounts. The login limit ensures that all players have playing field and that no individual has unfair advantage. And that's basically how to do airplane mode on Monopoly Go. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.